Hello everyone, and welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle.
We are making bacon dates today.
Yes, so this is part 2 of our Snap Fix series.
So just enjoy.
Yeah,
let's get it.
Let's get it. Okay, so first step is bacon. Okay, so you can use bacon of your choice. So what you're gonna do is cut it in half. Do you guys have the scissors at home, like the kitchen scissors?
For food.
For food. It
has to be for food.
So I'm just gonna cut it in half with these scissors. These scissors are quite great with that. There we go.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. I'm gonna place it on this plate for ease. And so what you're gonna do is wrap each date with this bacon.
Right, and this makes a great appetizer if you're in a rush and you have people coming over. Majority of people love bacon, okay? And sometimes we go vegan. Most of the time we eat fish and then some meat, and then on the side a little bit of oink oink fat, okay? So
a little oink oink.
And this is what it is. And people who come over, our friends who come over, they love it.
They love this dish. Oh, one other thing you're gonna need is round, oopsies, toothpicks. Very basic, the regular toothpicks you get from any old store. And this is pitted dates, okay? You can get a lot of different types of brands, but this is from Whole Foods. Okay?
Right, and with this recipe, you can actually tweak it on your own. You can actually put more stuff in it. Some people put cheese in their dates.
Right in here in this hole.
Yeah.
But you know we're lactose intolerant in this house, so no cheese for this recipe.
We don't need no cheese.
No cheese. But if you wanted to, you can stick some shreds of mozzarella in there. Okay?
For all the cheese lovers out there.
Yes. So I have one date, and so what it looks like is basically taking this one date, taking this half piece of bacon, and just wrapping it like a little blankie.
Pigs in a blanket?
Like pigs in a blankie. And then what you want to do is stick this toothpick in like that. Okay, you don't have to let it go all the way. Just like, you know, because like if someone's like snacking and you know whatever, you don't want to like ow, you know, no, ow, just so that it can hold.
Yeah, like towards the middle of the hole.
Yes, towards the middle, and then you stick it there. You might have heard that beep. That was actually our oven. We preheat it to 300.
Yes.
Okay, just so you know. All right, let's get it.
Let's get it. All right.
My hands are baconized, so maybe
greasy. Should we like put this on a plate?
Sure.
We'll put it on top of here.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Just on the other side. There we go.
All right, let's roll it.
Rolling with the
roll it, gal. Roll it, gal. Remember that song?
Oh yeah.
Show my age. Control it now. Can't sing.
Okay. You can sing. It's whether you sing well.
I would be in the back of the choir. Tell you that much. Alright, so bam.
There you go.
This is super easy, guys. You didn't have your children do this for you.
These toothpicks.
You have to be careful, you know? Maybe like age 11.
Age 11 and up. Have them come in the kitchen and
they're really good. They can start at 10.
Okay.
Child labor.
Just rolling it. It's super quick, guys.
And for the new people who don't really know how to cook, this is an easy recipe to impress your family members or your boyfriend, significant other, whatever. Showing them that you can make a little dish.
They call that the old bacon bake.
Bacon bake, yeah. Yeah, this is one of my recipes. I can cook. A lot. So what is your favorite appetizer? You guys can write it down below and let us know so we can get some ideas.
Absolutely. If you have a question about this recipe as well, just comment below. And like for all of those who might not like the oink oink, I've done this recipe with turkey bacon,
That's right. Turkey bacon is a great alternative.
Absolutely.
Let's see. And we're almost done. Like we are rolling, baby. Roll it, girl. Roll it, girl. Oh man, I miss dancing. That's one of the things I miss during quarantine. So I can't wait. Saving all my dance moves.
Learning some new ones.
Right? That's not new to me.
I couldn't think of a new one yet, but I will learn some new ones by the time I can get out there on the dance floor.
Right?
All right, guys, so this is how it looks, separated so it can cook well. And the oven is at 300, so I'm gonna pop it in there. Voila! So it's been 40 minutes and at 300, and I'm just gonna take it out and look how it looks.
Sizzling.
So what I'm gonna do is flip them. You'll see some of them are not really done all the way. This one looks done. I'm gonna take that to the side. So for the ones that are done, just going to transport them there. Nice and brown, that's how you can tell if it's brown all over. Look how gorgeous that looks. All right, and I'm gonna put that back in the oven. So I left it in the oven at 300 for 10 more minutes just so it can get all crispy, and I'm gonna put the rest of them in the bowl.
And these are the results of the bacon eggs.
They're so yummy, so crispy, and then you get that sweet and salty flavor in it, which is yummy.
Yeah, so let us know your comments.
Yes.
Let us know what you think about these. We think it's great.
Yeah, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.